Behold the new California based on T6.1, now also with a side sliding door on the left, or cleverly hidden a small mini kitchen in the left side wall. Whether these features are enough to continue to stand up to the ever-growing competition can be cautiously questioned. The Cross Camp by FEMA, for example, scores with a detachable kitchen, the tried and tested California typical floor plan, and thanks to the Toyota basis also with its price. 43,000 euros, all inclusive, starting with 120 horsepower. Like the Cross Camp by Detlefs, the Campster by Percel is built in ISNI. The kinship is clearly recognizable. The kitchen block can also be detached. It would be recommendable to empty the heavy water containers beforehand. The starting price lies below 40,000 euros. The Volkswagen Caddy is even more compact. Some expanders such as Raimo also offer great freedom of travel for the small Volkswagen commercial vehicle. 2 narrow beds, narrow equipment and a small price, starting from 33,500 euros. To make it even cheaper is only possible with module expansion. At the Caravan Salon, various manufacturers will showcase detailed thought-through individual solutions. And then there is also this, some would say, finally. Toilet and shower in the Volkswagen Multiband, here in the model Durban by Style Van. This is some real competition for California, however, for just under 65,000 euros.